Whoa. Dude. What up? What up? Dude, I am back and forth with this fucking account all day. I locked in a bunch of other accounts for the day, and I am literally I had this account down to 1,000, down 1,000 during lunch. And then literally I was just down $4,800. And I played this in 4 contracts. So I just hit for, I don't know, 1,000 real quick. I don't know, man. I'm going back and forth with this thing. The odds are it's not going to end well, but we're having fun. What up, Ange? What's up, Mick? I am fighting for it. We'll see what happens. Yeah, it's just this account. I'm just fighting it. No, I mean I just shorted it here. Some long. I'm trying to scalp. I'm not playing small, I can tell you that. I just played 4 contracts. I'm making a lot of fucking trades in this account. And then I have other accounts where it's one trade and done for the day. All these are done for the day. I think this one gets a payout tomorrow. The other one I get a payout on Wednesday. My day is actually really good. Having a pretty good day. It's always one account for me personally. What up, Brad? I'm just looking. Yo, we have NVIDIA earnings this week, by the way. Dude, NVIDIA earnings this. Yeah, hello, Marie. How's your day going? I'm back. I'll be honest with you, moves have been pretty good. If every day was like this, I'd be happy. My whole day went downhill when they literally the price was at my fill and didn't fill me. I'd be done with this account. And then my day went downhill. Yo, what up, Flip? Yo, what'd you get for your birthday lunch? What'd you get for your birthday lunch? Bro, so crazy. I was right there. It wasn't like, oh, I needed one more trade. Like the price was right there. You're gonna jerk some chicken later? My wife's home today. She took half day, so I actually had lunch. Yo, I'm making myself I actually do the cooking in my house. I just cooked a butternut squash chili. I got it sitting in my slow cooker. Come on, just put in a big red one right here. Oh yeah. Either way, 100. I think I got like 150 bucks. So the manly man says women belong in the kitchen, but do me a favor, mention 3 female famous chefs. Martha Stewart would be one. I don't know. What are some other ones? Oh, Rachel Ray. Yo, what about that girl on Instagram that's like, "Hi, my name's Jamie. I'm going to show you how to make chili." And then she's like, "My name's really not Jamie, and I don't know how to cook chili." Oh, but for $7.99 a month, you can see, and then it cuts out. Oh man, bro, bro, that Mount Fuji was wild. Have you ever seen it, Trevor? Dude, that Mount Fuji, if you're ever up by that way, is worth swinging in. I don't know, man. I like cooking. I don't mind cooking at all. Oh, you saw it on the web? Yo, it's a Japanese restaurant that sits on like 40 acres. It's crazy. Yeah. They have like dude, they have like weddings there and everything. And it's right on the edge of the New York Thruway. So crazy. Nah, you know what? And I tell my wife, you don't even have to tell me how great it is. I don't want you to tell me how great it is. I don't want you to tell me thank you. Just show me. That's it. Just show me. I don't need to tell you. Just show me. That's how I roll. Oh man. I need like 2 good trades here, and I could probably make the majority of this back up. Oh man. All seriousness, I think we're going to trend all the way down here. I shall see you guys at 24,630. That's where I think we're going. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow. I thought they would run this into NVIDIA earnings. I'm shocked that they're not. Well, that's the bottom. That's the previous week low. Previous week low. Yeah, previous week low is down there. I just thought we would run. NVIDIA is Wednesday after hours. So whatever happens today happens today, but I have a feeling that Wednesday is going to be a bullish day. I think a lot of people are going to be buying into the earnings. My opinion. Oh my god, coffee's so good. My coffee's so fucking hot too. Holy shit. I mean, listen, didn't blow an account today, or I didn't blow a funded account. I went all in on an eval. Holy shit. I would look for a move, possibly back up, but I think you're going to drop super fast first. Watch it just unload here to like 60s. See, now I'd be interested in starting to look for a way back up. And when I say way back up, I'm talking, not to the top. Short one micro? I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to see if they bring it back through 800. Close over 808 would look halfway decent here. What up, Simone? Are they going to do it? Dude, if they can't get over 800 here, this is going to be interesting. I might short it if they start dropping. I have a feeling they bring it up, though. I'm not falling for some fake ass shit, too. They got to bring it. They got to close this shit above. I think we're going to go lower, though. Dude, that's solid, Sean. Yo, like it never happened. Like you never woke up and you were itchy. Yo, it's like you never woke up and she took your wallet. Never made it to the 9. If it breaks 800 here, we're probably going to see 801. Or in my case, the price will sit on it and not fill me. Yo, I love that shit. Yo, that's like when I tell my brother, I'm like, yo, if you like the stock at 100, you probably love it at 50. Why, he's been sitting in it the whole time? Yo, if you liked it at 100, you must love it at 50. He's like, fuck you, man. I do love it at 50. I'm adding down here. And I text him like, yo, if you liked it at fucking 100 and you loved it at 50, man, you must be really loving it at 40. I don't know if it's going to invert here. Oh, it just did. It just did. Y'all want that? I want that close. So that was a quick scalp. I'm still in it with 5 micros. That's all I got left is 5 micros. I'm about to go to break even. Okay, I'm at break even, 5 micros. 8. I'm out. I'm out. Oh no, 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 no. Motherfucker. I don't even know how that just happened. I accidentally bought. I don't even know how that happened. My mouse just fucking double clicked and I bought. Well, here we go. Yo, what up, scalper? Come on down, baby. Yo, getting closer. Getting closer. Told you. Oh, shit. Yo, you could do that. It's only 22 cents. Yo, how hard could it be to get 22 cents? 18 cents, very difficult. 22, you should be able to do. What are you going to do? You're just going to buy? What are we doing here? What's the plan? What is the plan? Two Bulenox pass today? That's solid. Oh, man. What are we doing? What are we doing? That's how you got to buy Bulenox, by the way. You got to load up on Bulenox when they're 91% off. If you're not, I can't help you. Bulenox is 85% off right now. That's weird. They're not doing 91 anymore. 91 is gone. Well, that's why they do 91 is because the activation fee is so fucking high. I might buy a micro here. Nope. I was going to go long if it went back over 810. Yeah. Oh, I think they're good. Texas. I think it's good. Yeah, I mean, this is what it's got. I just all I did was copy. Let's see, well, that didn't paste at all. It didn't all get pasted in. Yeah, no, option 1 is available and option 2. Dude, Black Friday is next week, guys. If you didn't know, Black Friday is next week, and you should be able to get some crazy deals. Let's just say it should be good. I do know people are loving the My Funded Futures, though. A lot of people jumping on those end of days. Come on. I'll tell you what, this is what I'm looking for on Black Friday. I'm looking for Apex to have 90% off. I'm looking for a big Lucid sale. I'm looking for My Funded Futures to maybe run that $59 sale that they had a little bit ago. There's $59, no activation fee. TPT, I'm going to get. TPT, I'm looking for. So right now, they're running last year's Black Friday sale. It was 40% off, no activation fee. The only difference is they gave you your eval money back, right? I'm looking for something more. If they do more than 40, like 50 no activation fee, that would be legit. I think Funded Ticks is going to do what they did over the summer. They did the what was it, like $36 all in or some shit like that. It was something like that, $36 all in. Yeah, you can only buy 6. They limited the amount you could have. Only buying 1. I was just trying to I think they might bounce it here real quick. What else is there? I'm going to go through my fucking list. Go through my list and see what it is. I'm gonna post them all there, but Tradeify doesn't run any crazy deals. So I'm gonna look to see if Tradeify does anything that's like $55, $60 all in. If so, I'll probably jump on it. I'm trying to think who else there is. I mean, I'm not just going to buy from anybody. You know what I mean? Yo, 50% off resets the other day was awesome on Lucid. It was $45 all in on a reset on a Lucid 50K. That shit was pretty good. Dude, this looks like it's not going to be coming back today. I'm just chopping my loss back if I can just scout my way. The trend is obviously down, but we need a bounce soon. Trade day is probably going to do something. Trade day was doing $59 all in recently. So that's what I'm probably looking for is $59 or maybe $49 all in. You could only buy like 3 or 5 probably. See, like they're going to need a relief bounce at some point. This might be it. That's kind of what I'm looking for is like the majority of the pricing be like $65 or less all in, like no activation fee under 60 is what I'm going to be looking for on some of these accounts, and maybe TPT like 85 or 80. And then the ones that have activation fee, you know, obviously I'm looking for super cheap, maybe a discount on activation fee. I think net, if I can start getting funded accounts for under 180, I think it puts me in the driver's seat for a lot of payouts. 180 means I pass 1 in 3 accounts. So whatever the account is times 3 for activation and everything. The big thing that you got to watch for is what they rebill at. Because if they're 90% off this month, but next month it's only 50 off, you're going to get hosed. The ones that are like, obviously I'm still going to take it for the 1 month, right? But the ones that are really, really good are the ones that rebill at the discounted price. Those are like, might as well, like, so my funded futures ran $59 all in on core accounts. You could only buy 5 of them. But dude, those are like so worth buying because they rebill at $59, which means if you pass 1 and 2, you got a funded account for $110. Who needs a rebill? I only rebill when they don't pass. So that's kind of what I'm going to be looking at. Some of the deals might start early. I don't really know. If I was a prop firm, I would start my deal on Monday. And hear me out. I'll do it on Sunday or Monday. And my reasoning behind that would be to get people to spend money on my prop firm before the other ones even release their deals. That would be what I would do. But who the fuck knows? It definitely seems that way. It's like another 100 points down, Tommy. What is your prop firm? You mean like, Chris, you mean like my favorite prop firm? Cove Capital? I wish. Yeah, TJ, you got to watch, man. And that's why I tell you guys, like, listen, the whole goal of this is to get these accounts as cheap as you can to keep you in the game long enough that you actually learn the skills to become profitable. If you're just buying super expensive accounts and you're blowing through them, you're not going to be here long enough to learn. You know, I tell people, go on Sim. Nobody wants to go on Sim. Okay, if you don't want to use a Sim account, buy the cheapest fucking account that you can get to keep you in this long enough for you to actually sit there and learn. And you can get payouts. And then you could, you know, stay in long enough to learn. But I tell everybody, I told somebody today that they should use a Sim account. Ninja Trader offers Sim. I use Sim when I'm testing shit out. I use Sim when I'm testing shit out all the time. I find it hysterical when these guys are like, yo, buy my course at a discount. Buy my course. Pay for my Discord for a discount. Yo, I'm telling you right now, there's so much free information out there. I'm not even saying just on my channel, just in general. There's enough free information, free indicators, free indicators, free education that you know you don't need to pay for any of that shit. There's thousands of indicators on TradingView. You don't have to do a paid one. Salty Savage? I'm just curious. What does she do during the day, Chris? Wait, hold on one second. Hold on one second. Chris, you travel. Does she travel with you? Ange, have you looked through the community for indicators or no? Bro, TJ, I'm not even gonna get into that. I was wondering that. I didn't know. Dude, that's pretty cool. I saw a show. It's called Shipping Wars, and some dude and his girlfriend were like a team that did that. I'm trying to look for something. Dude, why can't I fucking find this when I want to find something? Yo, Chris, you on Discord? What up, Gary? Gary, I have no idea what that is. Gary, are you sending us an SOS? Bro, what is your keyboard? Yo, your key's all sticky there, Gary? Check it, Chris. Yo. I mean, I had to. Dude, if I get this account green today, holy shit. He's watching Tory trades. Oh, man. My back is so itchy. Dude, this is getting iffy here. Yeah, Tommy, that's kind of what I was looking at. Yo, it's Maria from jail. Dude, I'm just scalping. I got $80 back. You're eating fried chicken? Oh, that's right, because you're at which one is it? Culber's? Clucks? Churches. I've never been to a Church's Chicken. We don't have Church's Chicken. So when you go to your cafeteria, is it just Church's Chicken all over the place? I'm not in New Jersey. I'm in New York. I mean, it looks like it's gonna bounce here. I would say you get above this 50, which is this blue line, it's probably gonna start going. That's probably where I'm looking for. We get over that. Really starting to roll, boys. Boom, 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 boom. I'm watching it. I mean, you have an inversion already, but I don't fucking trust that shit. I want to see us get above the 50 because I think if we do run, we're going to run like back up. I think you can run like over 100 points. What? Maria, how? Bitcoin's under 92,000. This could be a fakey. Yeah, you can't be trading with a lot of shit going on, to be honest with you. If you got a lot of shit going on, you're better off not trading. Man, this looks like it's going to just dump ski. Are we going to come down? Yo, not trading is a trade. Like, let's see what happens. Oh, I got to get rid of that X giveaway thing. There we go. Definitely don't quit the job, Maria. Definitely do not quit the job. I tell people that you shouldn't quit the job, man, until you got a bunch of money saved up and you're making, man, I wouldn't quit your job until you absolutely had to and you couldn't trade doing both. And even then, like, I would need. See, I think about it different. I don't think about how much money you need on, like, put away. I think, like, you need to be having income coming in through, like, dividends, writing options, and doing futures is the only way that I would quit. And then you still had enough to pay, like, 6 months worth of bills to a year's worth of bills, and you still all had that other chunk bringing you income as well. Yeah, do not quit. Do not quit. Well, you're more than welcome to just hang out, Maria. You're definitely more than welcome just to chill out and say what's up and hang out. You definitely don't have to trade to hang out in here. Yo, like, yeah, like, you're lucky that you have a job like that, TJ, where you can kind of just chill out. Those are like, oh wow, we have a higher low here. Yo, Maria, once you do OnlyFans, you'll be set. Yo, if that grandma who's 75 can be making $1 million a year, you can too. Yo, one day we looked it up while we were on the stream about about grandmas making money on OnlyFans. I'm just putting orders in. I was showing it on the stream. It was like, I think there's some girl who's like 75 that makes almost $1 million a year on OnlyFans. It's crazy. I'm dicking around with an eval, but I didn't hear it. My fucking computer's off. Why? Did something just blow? Nothing should blow. Did I hit a daily loss limit? Oh, I hit the fucking daily loss limit. I just hit the daily loss limit in the Lucid account. Fuck me, man. That's why I don't like Lucid that much. That's my one issue with Lucid is the daily loss limit. I gotta switch off the fuck, man. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the daily loss limit. I'm only in one. Why do I only have 4 cells? What the absolute fuck just happened here? Dude, did that just happen to me? Bro, no way did that just happen to me. I'm going to smoke these accounts. Fuck me. Holy shit. Dude, I'm going to blow my first funded account in a while right now. Yo, this was the account that I needed $20 in. And I was there to buy, and it was right there. Dude, this is crazy. I needed $20 in this account today, and literally it came to my cell and didn't fill me. And now this is where we're at. Luckily, I just took a payout in this account, but I mean, fuck. I really don't want to add. I don't want to add. Yeah, Kristen, that's. Yo, not to leave the airport? Dude, where are you at? Dude, if this thing can get over 16 area. I need a big ass pump right here. Yo, they didn't want me to Yo, security lines are crazy, man. Security by JFK? Forget it. I wouldn't want to go through that shit. Dude, are we gonna pump or what? What are we doing here? Fuck. Bro, what the fuck just happened? Come on, baby. Bro, I need the big pump right now. Come on. Please. Please. I don't think I'm going to get it. I think they're going to fuck me right here. I'm about to blow 3 accounts here. Bro, I need Trump to say, I love China right now. I need an I love China tweet. I need a chest bump with him and Xi Jinping. Save it for NVIDIA. If I get down to $500, I'm saving it for NVIDIA. How's that sound? $500 left. I'll save it for NVIDIA. Yo, you following this shit? Come on, baby. Come on, man. Just fucking rip it. I'm frozen. Yo, you know what? Watch. This is why I have my other shit on my other screen, to be honest with you. Yo, Tradeify just eats up way too much fucking bandwidth. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back because I'm moving my shit over to all I did was just I took off some Tradeivate and I moved it over to my laptop. Dude, search symbol. Dude, we're gonna take this to the fucking moon or what? Come on, baby. So I need $50. I need $50. So I need $50 in this freaking Wealth Charts account. Oh, shit. I'm going to have to exit this. Once I hit $500, I'm saving it for NVIDIA earnings. Oh, shit. All right, I got $400 for NVIDIA earnings. And I just got my $50 in my Wealth Charts account for the day. I'm done with Wealth Charts. Fuck me, man. Fucking fuck. Well, that sucks, boys and girls. I did lock in another day in Wealth Charts. I got to take a payout soon, so I'm saving this account for NVIDIA earnings. If you never played earnings, I will be playing NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday after hours. We should have some fun. And that's when I take all my accounts that are pretty much blown and I let them ride on NVIDIA. This is going fucking lower. Did I get stopped out already? This is just a bear flag. We're going to go lower. I'm going to get in an ad on the way down. Yo, what up, Corey? Dude, what are they doing here? Just fucking. I had such a great morning where I locked in accounts for basically payouts for tomorrow and the next day, and then completely fucked this account today. I had it. Oh, literally, I needed $20 today, Corey, and I had the thing, and the price came down, and it didn't fill me, and that's what caused all of this. Look, and we're coming all the way back. That's fucking wild. That's fucking crazy. Oh, you know why? I have Quant Tower open. I didn't even know I had Quant Tower. This is dog shit. Yeah, it was good. I caught a bunch of this. But this is choppy, man. You know, it's just part of the freaking game. Part of the game. I had a good day so far, so it is what it is. I'm not going to let one bad account mess my whole day up. And the account's not even done. I'm going to play it on earnings. So I'm not worried about it one bit. I might be able to make all that back on earnings, or I can make back 2,500 of it the next day, make back the rest. So I'm not worried about it. I'm going to see if we sell off more here. I'm not going in heavy or anything. I'm just going to let it move. You got. See, so I lock in $75. If this turns red and goes down, I'm going to move to above. If I get stopped, I get stopped. But let's see what happens. I'm very cautious. What I hit 75, made $100 real quick. Very cautious. You got end of the day, you got 20 minutes till the end of the day. You don't want to do anything stupid. It does feel like we're going to roll, though. I'll leave my stop at the top of this candle. Let's see if they'll just give it up here. Yeah. It just feels like we're going to go below 31 here. There's been no significant buying, really. I need fucking water is what I really need. Yeah, I'll be right back. Just going to get water. 2 seconds. Oh. What happened? Yo, they wicked me out. Man, this is going to go down to 621. We have a date with 621. We're going to hit previous day low. I'd like to see us take this low out and then come back. We'll probably end up doing it tonight. So I won't be on the stream, but I'll be in the Discord. I'm taking that trade, by the way. We take out previous week low and then come back through with like an inversion on probably like a. I'm probably going to take that. Make sure I got all these. I'm done with these. All these funded accounts are done. I'm just taking them off my screen. Market pricing in Epstein files drop? Bro, that's hysterical. It's still got a rounded top to it. Yeah, Steven. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash. No. Yo, you just reminded me, there's fucking earnings today. What are the earnings today, anyways? There is no crazy earnings today. Tomorrow, did you have Baidu earnings tomorrow? Dude, this fucking market's a piece of shit. Baidu is earnings. PDD has earnings tomorrow. PDD's been trading in the same fucking range. I don't know if I'm going to risk this. I'm not going to risk that shit. Although I have to make a decision in 15 minutes if I do want to. Oh, what do I want to do here? I was looking for something. The problem is PDD is fucking. Fuck me, man. Yo, Bitcoin? Bitcoin's at 91,000. Look at this shit. Is this the bottom? Is that the bottom we made? Tell me that this is the fucking grossest bottom I've ever seen. This is so fucking like, I don't even know what I would consider this. This is one big sloppy bottom. I mean, are they just short covering here? I mean, there's certain things I like about it, but there's a lot that I don't. Hence why I'm only in 15 micros. Come on. Nah, MOC didn't happen yet. MOC happens in 30 seconds. I'm going to bring this down for MOC. If they can pop this shit, oh my God. Dude, do it, do it, do it, do it. I don't know what's going to happen. If you're up, take your money. 10 seconds. Am I going to risk this for the biscuit? Oh my God, I'm going to risk it for the biscuit. Bro, I just made back a lot of money. Holy fuck. Oh, baby. Push buttholes. Maria. That was a crazy this is what I wanted when we were over here, and I would have fucking banked. Dude, that was crazy. That was crazy. Yes, I used my funded futures. I just took it off my screen. I have 4 funded accounts with them. They're up on the day. One is up 200. I think 2 are up 200. One's up 500. One's up 125. I got 3 payouts with them last week, and two should be coming this week. The 50K core accounts are freaking legit. Yeah. Those are the ones that I like the best. 50K core accounts. Nah, I would have got I didn't have the drawdown to hold. I didn't have the drawdown. I would have gotten taken out. I mean, it went down. I mean, it doesn't look like much, but I would have gotten hosed. Yo, Tommy, you don't need a lot of contracts to make money. You really don't, especially in this environment. Everybody thinks you need to use minis. Like, you honestly, you don't. You just don't. I just think that a lot of people feel like they need to be trading minis, but like you just did $500 with one micro. Oh, it was an accident. Time is short. I can see that. I can see that, Eric. Man, today was so good how it started off. Don't need a lot. You definitely don't need a lot. Somebody just bought a ton of coin, by the way. Maybe they think Bitcoin's going to bounce here. Wow, they bought leaps. Somebody bought leaps of coin. That's what I'm saying, TJ. You don't need a lot. You don't need some crazy amount. I've been liking my funded futures, though, man. My funded futures, I've been getting payouts with them. They've been really good. A lot of people do, Tommy. They don't make money with my minis because it's too much. Question lady is back. What's the question? Any codes for my funded futures? Use code Cove Trader. The best code. I'm going to be honest with you. They're going to do some deals next week on Black Friday, probably. Just keeping it real. Oh, what's a leap? It's an option that's like a year or more out. Hence, it like leaps. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My fucking camera. My camera. I don't know. I am not sure. My camera just froze. It flickered and froze. What does the stream look like? Yo, the stream is fine. My camera froze. It's Cove Trader. See what happens. Look, Cove Trader. I don't know what they're doing, but that automatically gives you whatever they're doing. I wouldn't be surprised if they took it all the way back up here. Oh, they're not. Then they're not running a deal right now. Then there's no deals. Then there's no deals. Yeah, it's supposed to activate whenever they're running a deal. You'll automatically get it. So it's probably not. There's probably no deals running right now. So I would just wait until they run a deal. I would wait until they run a deal next week or whenever they run one. They're definitely going to run one next week, but I can't believe this event just went my way. Yo, Design Knob used code Cove Trader and got a free Snowman Frosty Swirl. Yo, I'm going to refresh this screen real fast. Hold on. Might go black for 2 seconds. Yo, can you hear? I'm just curious. Can you hear me? My camera just fucked up. Can you hear me or no? Yes or no? Yes? All right. So my camera just fucked up. It just flickered a bunch. It's probably because I'm running Quant Tower, Ninja Trader, and a bunch of other shit right now. But the only way I can fix it is I probably got to go do stuff. I probably got to go do naughty stuff to it to get it to work again. So I'm just going to leave it as is, and it'll be fixed tomorrow. Boom, 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 boom. Monet, what up, Monet? Yeah, I just got too much stuff running on my computer. I see the camera just went off, actually. Yeah, this is awesome. Now I can sit in my boxers and you guys don't know. I don't have to. Oh, man. Just for a quick scalpy McScalperson. Oh, dude, that was 4 o'clock. I'm out. I'm out on that. I didn't even know it was 4 o'clock. I played it to the upside without even knowing. Too busy worrying about this stupid ass camera. Where's my duck? Show me my duck. Show me my duck. Man, they just popped this thing. I can't believe I was in this shit. I can't believe that. I was in it. I was fucking in this. Dude, why even wear boxers? Dude, I was fucking in this shit. I can't believe that. Let's see. What would have happened? Yeah, see, like I got out at 77. This went down. I would have gotten smoked. I would have got my account liquidated. It would have went down about 5 more points and then bounced. That's what would have happened to me. How crazy is that? I would have got liquidated by 5 points and then it would have bounced. And then it would have proceeded to bounce 150. That's how my day is. That's how my day has been. Fucking crazy. Unbelievable. Anybody got questions, comments, anything? I don't even know what I'm. Man, This is what I want to see tonight. I want to see us trade up until about 9:51 ish. Reject. Now, I'm not saying that in this time frame, but I would like to see us trade into this fair value gap in the hourly, reject it, come down, sweep previous week low, and then come back up through. That would be what I would want to see. Yeah. That's what I'm looking for on that. Bro, gold has the same shit going on, though. Look at gold. If you're going to play gold, I'd want to see us come into here, reject, and come right there. Actually, that would make sense because, well, yeah. I don't know. That's what I'm looking for. I think both gold and NQ go lower. We're just too close. We were just too close, like not to take it out, I feel. Just looking. Just fucking looking at stuff. See what this 4 hour looks like. Got a small little inversion there. Well, no, small little fair value gap. I don't know. This just looks shitty. Let's see what the daily looks like. Dude, is this today's candle? Dude, that's exactly what I thought we were going to do. I didn't even... I drew that out the other day, actually. That's crazy. Yeah, we wicked right into it and then fucking unloaded. Yeah, I think we're going to go down. I think we're going to see in here, by the way. That's another 1,200 to 1,500 points lower from where we are. I think that's where we're going to head to. Somewhere down here. That makes the most sense. I mean, I'm not right all the time, but the problem is I don't have enough screens, Monet. That's my biggest problem is I don't keep this shit up. I should probably review this stuff in the morning. See, what I really need is the NAT. I need the NQ on. I should probably try setting it up here with like a something like this where I have. You don't need the daily. You just check the daily once, but you have like the 4 hour, and kind of just look at it. I didn't even look at the daily today, which was fucking stupid, to be honest. I should have at least looked at this and been like, oh, wow, we're going to trade back up and then see. Like, if we invert this, that would be bullish. And if we came in and sold back through, I'd probably go bearish. Didn't even look at it like an idiot. I need, you know what I need? I probably would need 2 more monitors, which would be cool. You know what it is? I got a lot of streaming, like the streaming thing takes up 1 monitor. So like 1 whole monitor is for this. Just sucks. It is what it is. It is what it is. By the way, we might do you know what we might do? We might do poker next week on Tuesday. By the way, if you guys are interested. If you're interested, we might do poker on Tuesday. Tuesday, not tomorrow Tuesday, the following week Tuesday. I am just looking. Do I even have this up? Well, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. We stream here every single day. Oh man. Man, I'm just looking at this shit. If you want to join the Discord, it's free. There's the link. I'm going to end up putting the poker link in there once we do it. So probably check it out. We'll run the Ducks now. And what else is going on? I'm just trying to think. Dude, my computer needs a fucking reset so bad. Some firm have a 2% rule. I have no idea what the 2% rule is. You got to make 2%. By the way, just throwing it out there. The winner of the duck race, I am going to send you a PayPal, Venmo, or a Zelle. If you don't have either one, you cannot win. So just let me know if you don't have any of them, because that's how I'm going to end up getting you the money for the account. I don't have a code. I'm not like other streamers. I'm going to pay you for the account out of my own pocket. So it's not like I'm just giving you a code that My Funded Futures gave me or somebody gave me. It comes out of my pocket. So if you don't have those, tell me. Otherwise, you can't win. Second, you can only have one name in here. You can't sign up with 2 different YouTube names. Throwing it out there. Do not have 2 YouTube names in the thing. If you do and you get caught, I will just take you out manually. And that's it. Like, I know somebody right now I am looking at that has 2 YouTube names, and they signed up twice in here today. You cannot do that. That is against the rules of the high table of the Cove stream for the Association of Duck Racing. So now I have to eliminate you out of here. You cannot have 2 names. RiseWorks, I don't want to pay on RiseWorks, Mick. I'm not doing RiseWorks. We're doing PayPal, Zelle, or Venmo. I'm not using 18 different. We're using those 3. Those are the ones. Those are the ones I have that have money in it. The other ones I don't keep money in it. So I'm not doing it. Also, my RiseWorks account is different than my other stuff. So yeah. Well, I can't do it out of there. It's not on my end. It's not what I could do. That's it. So if you win, you could wait for a code. And when I get a code, I'll let you know. But I'm just being honest. It's not just you. It's happened to a bunch of people. I'm just saying. Yeah. I have PayPal, Zelle, and Venmo. And if you have a friend, I can send it to your friend and then he can send it to you somehow. 1000%, I can work that way. But I just need an email. I can't, my account with Rise is different than my other ones. Yo, Captain Crunch, the American Duck Racing Association of America over the weekend. Dude, so I'm running this thing. If I get so by the way, this is random, but actually I have Apex codes. I never get them. But today you won an Apex account. It's any size account. So if I were you guys and I won and you passed it, I probably wouldn't pay for the activation fee until Black Friday. On Black Friday, they're probably going to do some type of special on Black Friday. So I would say that if you pass, they want you to sign the documents. They want you to sign the documents by, what do they want? With 48 hours. So I would definitely sign the documents, but I'd probably wait to pay. Just check with them. Always check with them. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see who wins. Actually, there's going to be 2 duck races. Actually, you're going to need 3. Yo, Sean. Why do I choose to trade at a higher time frame at night? Because there's too many fake breakouts and breakdowns during Asia. Are you on the stream? Lim, are you on the stream? You should be in, Maria. They're around, Sean. I see them around every day. Maria, I just put you in the other one. Yo, they got 10 seconds to say what's up. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye, Felicia. Yo, jeez. Who do we got? Somebody push. Donna H. Everybody's duck is not in every race. Just an FYI, everyone's duck is not in every race. Is Donna here? What I did was, as you sign up through the day, I take them and I combine them to. We're not running 18 duck races today. That's why some people will have 2, because they were here on the stream when I opened it up twice. They signed you up twice. That's how you get multiple. It's all automated, Ace. If you submitted it, it was in here. Yo, BK, what'd you want? Swimming? You say you wanted swimming today? I think that's what you said this morning. Show me my name. Dude, you got to look for it. It's on there. Joseph, you here? Finding it. The winner gets an Apex account. Winner gets an Apex account. There's no substitutions. Just FYI. You can't have more than one YouTube account, Joseph. That's what we were talking about. You can't have more than one YouTube account submitted. Against Yo, send me an email, Joseph. Yeah, Joseph, you can't use Y Scalper as your other YouTube name. You can't submit both, is what Sean's saying. And you can't log into one, submit, and then log into another. If not, someone's using your picture. Just throwing it out there. Then you have a serious problem on your hands. And I'll email you about it. Just throwing it out there. I'm being serious. Some guy is using your picture if it's not you. Oh, I just cracked my back. Oh, my God. I am heading off. I'm going to trade tonight. I'm going to be probably looking to short NQ tonight and or gold. But we'll see how it plays out. We'll see how it opens up. You know, I'm not going to fully decide at 4:22 what I'm going to be doing at 7 at night, but I do want to see how it opens up. I would like to see us trade a little bit higher. You know, in theory, you could trade almost up to 25,000 for a rejection down. But this dotted line is halfway through. So it would just, you got a lot of wicks here. It'd be nice to hit like 956 and come down. So come up and then down would be the ultimate play. But I'm going to wait and see. I want to see that you get a red candle and then down. All right. I'm heading. What time? I'm always in the Discord, Steven. I'm in the Discord all night. I may not be like in front of my computer all night, but I'm in the Discord all night. Sean's in there. I don't know. A bunch of us are in there randomly. But I'm in there all through the night. Just that's kind of what I'm looking for. If we end up inverting this and going over 25,000 and closing an hourly close over 25,000, I don't know. Then my shit gets real murky. I really want to take this low out is really what I want to do, or trade down to it. All right. Yeah, Carolina, come hang out. We're in there all the time. The link's in the description of this video. All right, I'm jumping off. I will see you tonight. Peace.